Children, in the last topic we studied remainder theorem, we studied factor theorem. Based on that, now we have to solve this sum. What the question? This is determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. 3 questions are given. You have to check x plus 1 is a factor of which of the following polynomials. This is the first one, children. P of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus 1. What the first one? P of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now children, please recall what we have studied in factor theorem. If x plus 1 is a factor, what does it imply? Equality to 0. Equality to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. Yes or no, children? So x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. So since x, to check whether x plus 1 is a factor, equate x plus 1 to 0, shift plus 1 to this side, you get x is equal to minus 1. Wherever x is there, put minus 1. Put minus 1. Then I'll write it here, children. So if x plus 1 is a factor, what does it imply? Equality to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 1. X should be equal to minus 1. Put it here, children. Wherever x is there, substitute minus 1. Answer should be 0. Then it is a factor. If answer is not 0, and substituting minus 1, then x plus 1 is not a factor. That's it, children. What is this? Be careful. Minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. What is minus 1 whole cube, children? Minus 1. What is the power? 3. When the power 3, which is odd, negative sign remains. Here power is even. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Plus into plus plus minus plus 1. Plus into minus minus 1. Last term plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. What the answer? 0. What is P of minus 1? P of minus 1. Yes. Yes. X plus 1 is a factor of this one. P of minus 1 is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of which polynomial? This polynomial, first one. We proved it. Yes or no? Similarly, check it for second one. Check it for second one, whether it is a 0 or not. What you have to do, children? Second one. Yes or no? Yeah, I'll come. We continue here only. P of minus 1. Put P of minus 1 here. What you will do? Minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. What do you get, children? Minus plus 1 power odd, I said. Minus sign remains. Minus into plus minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1 into plus 1 plus into minus minus plus 1. What do you get, children, here? Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 1. P of minus 1 is what, children? 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor. Factor of which? This polynomial, children. Yes or no? Easy. Then go to the last one. We'll solve it here. Which is that we have to substitute P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1 square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x. What is x value, children? Minus 1 plus root 2. Minus 1 cube is what, children? Minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1 plus into minus. Minus 1 minus into minus. Minus into minus plus 1 into anything, same thing. So write it as 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. What do you get, children? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. 2 minus 2 1. What the answer? 2 plus root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2. What is that? P of minus 1. So what you will write? No. No. P of no. X plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of this factor. Understood? Easy, children? 2 mark question. 2 mark question. From your final exam point of view, I am talking. We will go to the next question.
Start.
See, children, next question. Use factor theorem to find, to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. G of x is given, whether it's a factor of p of x, you have to find out. Understood, children? Yeah. What you have to do now? Again, g of x, that is x plus 1 is a factor, then x plus 1 is a if x plus 1 is a factor, what does it imply? X plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Wherever x is there, put minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to what do we get, children? 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So please practice this. Please practice this, children. So come here. What is minus 1 cube? I said power is odd. Minus 1 raised to a power which is odd. Then minus sign remains. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 1 square power even of a negative number. Then it becomes plus 1. Minus into minus plus 2. Last term minus 1. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. What the answer, children? 0. P of minus 1 is 0. Yes. Yes. What you will say? G of x is equal to x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Understood, children? This is the first question. Then we will solve some challenging sums. There are no challenging sums, children. They are all easy sums. Understood? Yeah. Next sum is what, children? Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Third question. What is third question? Find value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of yeah, first one, p of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. Same rule, children. What is said here? X plus if x minus 1 is a factor The factor, what does it imply? X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So put 1 in place of x. What is P of 1? P of 1 now equated to P of x equated to 0. If x minus 1 is a, he says x minus 1 is a factor equated to 0. P of x should be 0, children. Then what do we say here? X square. So P of x is equal to x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. What is x value, children? What is x value? 1. 1 or minus 1? 1. So then put P of 1. What is that? 1 square plus 1 plus k should be equal to 0. 1 square, children, 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus k is equal to 0. K should be minus 2. So that P of 1 will be 0. What we have to do, children? Cross verification. Cross verification. What does it mean? You do your own valuation. You are doing valuation of your own. Put minus 2 in the given question. What is that? X square plus x minus 2. X value minus 2, put that. Then put 1. 1 square plus 1 minus 2. What is that? P of 1. We are checking for P of 1. What do we get, children? 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 0. Yes or no? Therefore, k is equal to minus 2 is the right answer. Understood? We will go to the next question. Children, next question. Factorize y square minus 5y plus 6 quadratic polynomial by using factor theorem. How to do, children? In the given polynomial y square minus 5y plus 6 equated to 0. What do we get, children? Here, so I write it like that, no problem. Now go to constant term. You have to use what it says by using factor theorem. Take the help of factor theorem to solve this. Now come to the constant term 6. What are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3. Understood? Now 1 is the factor of every number we know. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Yes or no, children? So what does it mean? I'll write it here. Take constant term. Factors of 6. What are they? 1, 2, 3. Neglect 1 because 1 is a factor of every number. What are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. So y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. What are they? See, previous question we did reverse. Y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 are zeros of the polynomial. Understood, children? Take 2 to this side. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. What is this? Y. So here take minus 3 to that side. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, y minus 2 and y minus 3 are factors. Or this polynomial. Easy, children, isn't it? We will go to the next question. See, children, this question. Factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120 is equal to 0. It's a very tricky question, children. Again, look at the constant term. Like we did y square minus 5y plus 6. What is constant term? 120. So, factors of 120. What are the factors of 120, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. What are the factors of 120? We can find it, children, no problem. 120, no? What the smallest factor of 121? Which is the largest factor? 120. So, take factor pair. Factor pair of 2, 60. Factor pair of 3, 40. Then 4, 30. Then 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 remains. 24. Then 6. 20s are. Yes or no, children? I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. See now, I found exact factors. How? By taking pairs. Which is a factor pair of 1, 120, 2, 60, 3, 40, 4, 30, 5, 24, 6 and interesting or not, children? No need to take all. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now take x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. What does it imply? Implies that x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. Yes or no, children? No. So x minus 1 should be factor. Yes or no? Now come to this polynomial. What is that? X cube. No need to write polynomial here. Write x cube minus 23 x square plus 142 then minus 120 is equal to 0. What should you do, children, now? You have to take x minus 1 common in each pair. For the pair of x cube, there is no pair, you take x square. Now, come here, take x common. What it will remain, children? X minus 1. Yes or no? Now you may wonder, from where did I take x square? I split 23x square as minus 1x square. How much remains, children? Minus 22x square. Yes or no? Yes. Now again along with this here I should get x minus 1 factor. To get x minus 1 factor, what should I take here? Common factor 22x. Who is the pair of 22x square? What the question? 142x. See, children, write it again. 22x. We should get a pair for this, no? X minus 1 factor blindly I have written. Yes or no? Yes. So then what I have taken here? 22x. Here x minus 1 should remain. See, blindly I have written 22x. Yes or no? Now, where did I get 22x here? I have split 142 as 122 and 120x minus 120. Understood, children? Yes or no? I have written x cube. Along with that I have taken x square. Then I have taken x minus 1 is a factor. What will remain outside here? X. Along with x cube I have taken x square. How did I take? 23 I have split into 1 plus 22. Here I have written 142 as 22 and 120. So 22 goes with this 22. See here. What is the common factor here? 22x. X into x minus 1. Again, children. Here what I should get? X minus 1 as the factor. See, I have written what here? Plus 142x. I have written mistake here. So everything will carry. So take x common, x minus 1. Take minus 22x common, x minus 1. Take here, what will take common here? 120 common. What it will remain here, children? plus 120 take common, x minus 1. So 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. What is common here? X minus 1. What is left here? X. Here minus x minus 22x plus 120. Left here. Yes or no? Yes. Then what you have to do? Like we did previous case now, 120 is a constant term. Take the factors of that. Or I teach you easy method, split the middle term. Split the middle term. How to split the middle term? Split the middle term in such a way that what you will get? Now you have to pair 3 terms. 3 terms you cannot pair. Split the middle term into 2. One goes with x, one goes with 120. Split the middle term. For that take the help of constant one. 120. Find the factors of 120. 2, 6 are 12. 2, 3 are 60. 2, 15 are 3, 5 are. So what are the factors, children? 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6 2s are 12. What are the factors? 5 3s are 12 plus 10 10. So yeah, correct. 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6 2s are 12. 12 and 10. 12 10s are 120. 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10. 122. What I take? 5 into 2, 10. Then 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. So what I do, children, here? X minus 10x minus 12x plus 120 is equal to 0. I'll solve only the what is the inside the bracket, then I multiply to this. Or else you can write it, no problem. Take x minus 1 as it is. So now what is common, children, here? Minus 10 minus 12 minus 22 minus into minus plus 12 times of 120. What is common here? Take common factor. What is common here? X into x minus 10. Here also, by splitting middle term, blindly write x minus 10. Same factor should come here. Then check what should be taken common. Sign changes, outside minus, it is 12. Then multiply it by what, children? X minus 1. What are the factors, children? Already there is one factor, x minus 1. One common factor, x minus 10. Third common factor, x minus 12. X minus 12. So these are the 3 factors of this given polynomial. This tricky sum, children. You will have lot of doubt. Pause my video and check again and again. Understood? Good. So next question.